When you search for the best scent boosters for laundry, everything looks the same. Same claims, same packaging, and honestly, it's super confusing. To really find what actually makes a difference, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Downy Unstoppables Fresh. First up, we have the Downy Unstoppables in Wash Scent Booster Beads in Fresh Scent. Priced at $15.94. This caught my attention because it boasts a whopping 4.8-star rating from over 127,000 reviews. If you want long-lasting freshness that keeps your clothes smelling crisp, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These beads promise 6x longer-lasting freshness compared to typical detergents. That means you can toss in a scoop, and your laundry will not just smell good when it comes out. It's going to smell fresh all week long. Plus, they're safe on all fabrics and washing machines, so you won't have to worry about damaging your clothes. With over 80,000 units sold just last month, clearly, they're a popular choice for a reason. Now, some people complained about the beads clumping if left in a humid environment. Here's the thing though, if you keep the cap tightly closed and store it in a cool, dry place, you won't have that issue. It's not a deal breaker if you're mindful about storage. This is perfect for you if you love that fresh laundry scent that lasts. Skip this one if you prefer a more subtle fragrance, because these beads pack a punch and scent. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for eliminating tough odors. Product number 2, Arm & Hammer Odor Blasters. Next up, let's talk about the Arm & Hammer Odor Blasters In-Wash Laundry Scent Booster, priced at just $4.93. With a stellar 4.8-star rating from nearly 7,900 reviews, this one grabbed my attention for its focus on odor elimination. This product takes on tough smells like musty towels and sweaty gym clothes, thanks to the added power of Arm & Hammer baking soda. You simply add a capful to your wash, and it works in all temperatures, even cold water. That's great for anyone looking to save energy while keeping clothes smelling fresh. This is especially important if you live an active lifestyle and your laundry often carries lingering odors. Now, some users noted that the scent can be a bit overpowering for their liking. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who really enjoys a vibrant, fresh scent and has a lot of activewear, this might actually be perfect for you. This is ideal for you if you need something that tackles tough odors head on. Skip this if you prefer fragrances that are softer and less dominant. Overall, it's a great value for the money, given its effectiveness against odors. Now, if the strong scent of the odor blasters isn't your style, the next product takes a more refined approach. Product number 3, Downy Unstoppables Unlimited. Up next is the Downy Unstoppables Unlimited Collection in Wash Laundry Scent Booster Beads, which are priced at $15.97. This unique offering caught my eye because it's developed by world-class perfumers. With fragrance number 26, you're in for a delightful experience that blends hints of rose, honey nectar, and oak moss. This scent isn't just about freshness. It's about transporting you to a serene, aromatic place. Plus, these beads provide lasting fragrance that stays with your clothes through to the next wear, which is pretty impressive. If you want your laundry to smell luxurious, this is worth a serious look. However, some customers pointed out that the price feels a bit high compared to standard options. Here's the thing. If you're someone who values a unique scent experience over just freshening up, it's worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you want an elevated laundry experience with a sophisticated scent. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, as there are more economical options out there. But honestly, for what you get, it's a lovely treat for your senses. Alright, that was a premium choice. But if you're looking for something a little different, the next one might just fit the bill. Product number 4, Downy Calm. The next product is the Downy Calm in Wash Laundry Scent Booster Beads, priced at $15.97. This one genuinely surprised me with its soothing lavender and vanilla bean scent, which has a 4.9-star rating from over 5,800 reviews. If you're someone who enjoys a calming atmosphere, these beads will infuse your laundry with the relaxing scent of lavender and vanilla. The best part? They offer up to 12 weeks of freshness, giving you peace of mind that your clothes will smell inviting long after they're washed. Plus, They offer odor protection with each wash. So if you've got lingering smells, this is a solid solution. Some users have mentioned that the scent fades quicker than they'd like, especially after a few wears. But here's the thing. If you're washing lighter fabrics or clothing that doesn't get too sweaty, you'll still benefit from the calming experience. This is perfect for you if you want your laundry to smell soothing and fresh for a long time. Skip this if you're looking for a stronger scent that lasts through heavy use. But for a serene touch, it's well worth it. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 5, Arm & Hammer Clean Sensations. Finally, we have the Arm & Hammer Clean Sensations In-Wash Scent Booster, available for just $4.93. This caught my eye because it delivers 4x the freshness ingredients compared to leading value detergents. And it has a solid rating of 4.7 stars from over 9,100 reviews. The Clean Meadows scent combines floral and fruity notes, and it's designed to work in cold water, making it a great choice for energy-efficient washes. If you're trying to save on your utility bill without sacrificing freshness, this is a smart pick. Plus, it's infused with Arm & Hammer's legendary baking soda. Trust me, it's a powerhouse against odors. However, a few customers have mentioned that the scent might be too light for their preferences. Here's the thing. If you like a stronger scent, it might not fully satisfy you. But if you're into subtle freshness, this could be your go-to. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch in freshness. Skip this if you prefer a more potent scent, but for its price, it's hard to beat. So there you have it. We've looked at 5 great options for laundry scent boosters, each with its unique strengths and a few considerations to keep in mind. In summary, we've explored the Downy Unstoppables Fresh Arm & Hammer Odor Blasters, Downy Unstoppables Unlimited Downy Calm, and Arm & Hammer Clean Sensations. Each one has its unique features, so whether you're after long-lasting freshness, a premium scent experience, or just a budget-friendly option, there's something here for everyone. Choose the one that fits your laundry needs best, and say goodbye to stale clothes.